I don't know why it's not finishing. I'm gonna end up with that fucking blue shit out again. Opening the thing and no water.
Shut up.
That's what it's supposed to do, but... See, it does its own thing.
Mama, do you want your voice to be in this video?
I don't give a damn. Yeah, I never done that before.
I'm not fixed. That's what it said.
Yeah, it's saying I'm not fixed. What did it say? Cycle what?
I don't know. That's why it's a good thing I'm recording, huh?
David, they're gonna hear your voice.
Yeah, but my voice isn't annoying.
Oh, give me a break. See, look, it's not doing nothing. Son of a bitch.
Sure, they want to hear that in the back.
Yeah, I know. No kidding. Can you hear though? The machine keeps going beep 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 beep
Yeah.
beep beep beep.
I think it's got a code on the top.
Wait, it says cycle starting again.
No, it's not. It's going to do the same thing.
Okay, that's it.